Q. The U here is silent and we pronounce it K. K, 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 K. Qui, 4, la, que, and here C, we pronounce it K when it's followed by A, O, U. K, ko, Q, ak, ok, ak, Q, ok, ko, ka, Q, ko, ak. K, we pronounce it K. K, 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 K. Or K minuscule, K majuscule. Le karaté, le koala, le képi. Thank you.